Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nini and welcome to Black Strike. So today, please do not mind any noises in the background, but I do say this is Blood Strike. I've been playing it for a while. I do have other accounts, but those are my private accounts. But we're gonna play on this account, which is pretty new. But we are gonna play Battle Royale. Because I'm way too scared to do rank right now. So let's get started, shall we? I hope we win. This is my history in this account, as you can see. So I don't know who am I gonna pick, but probably my choose is I'm gonna choose Val anyway. So here in Bloodstrike, I'm gonna give you a broad understanding here in Bloodstrike. So these characters is what you call strikers. Strikers are your characters that have special abilities. For let's say Hank, defensive turret, and this is annoying. Val is have this like satellite can detect where are like the enemies. Nova is a pretty good like striker because of its passive, as you can see. And also her skill. It's a her, she's a she. Emma is the newest striker today. I don't know how to use her yet, but yeah. And we have guns, of course. Yeah. I'm not good with this game. I'm just here to tell you very early on, I am not good. Trust me, I am not good. I am not good. But I will try my best to give my best, of course. If you're gonna see like this dot right here, that is actually, and I drag it, that is like my screen recorder. Yeah. I am trying to speak as much as English as I can because I am not a like American or certain thing. I am a Filipino, and I have to say I am a Filipino. I'm gonna
weapon here.
Take your fire. Move it.
They want to go ahead?
And I'm gonna swear a lot. I am a girl and I swear a lot, so I'm very very sorry about that. I'm gonna say like shit, fuck you, eme. But you're gonna hear me a lot saying like eme, visit. So yeah, I'm gonna be very very sorry about my language. Okay. Oh. So you know guys, I've been introduced into this game by my boyfriend. I can't disclose his name, of course, for privacy. But we will just call him B. And his name will start with an S because he's gonna overthink who I am talking to. So yeah. Every single gun is different here. And we have a bow. Which is wow. Like legit, wow, we have a gun. Talaga man, ay.
Protection barrier up and running.
And also, we're having like, there are a lot of good skin in this in this game. Actually, like so many good skins. Not just only with the strikers right now, they're developing it, but also with the guns. You can also have free gun skin, which is very very cool. And they still develop and they are still improving this game so that all of us can play it like with a hype all out. And of course they have like this new map called the Shutter Island, which is pretty cool. I love that map, but I am annoyed, so annoyed that I am a little bit annoyed because there are so much striker ever. Like you cannot put your gun down because like there's a possibility that we just one look beside you and there's already
Watch out for grenade!
like like enemies, other strikers. You can also have, and you can solo this, duo, and many more, which is pretty cool. And this is gonna be like, oh my goodness, my reaction, like, Kala, like, like just reaction of myself. Amy,
The safe zone is
Amy. But let me up. Bro. I can't take a short. That's sad. I cannot take the shortcut because I'm sad. Sad about that.
advantage.
Don't know where that is though.
Enemy spotted. Target eliminated. Enemy spotted.
Wait lang.
Enemy hit.
Amy. I have a little bit of tips here in Blood Strike. Well, first of all, you need your sound way up. You can see like around here somewhere when someone is walking, someone is like the gun. Ano naman?
Using a bandage.
Bruh! Stop! I hate that when that happens. I hate that when that happens.
Bomb to go. Take your fire.
I hate that when that happens. I hate that when that happens. I hate that when that happens so bad. I hate that when that happens. I almost shit myself. I almost shit myself way too much, and does it say safe zone is coming. How long are we? Oh, not that far. Okay. I hate that when that happens. So I am still like working on my controls. What is that? Son of a bitch. Huh? Hindi ko gets! Ganga! May kalab!
Spotted. Taking fire.
I can make it. I can make it.
Using a bandage.
Woo! I can make it! I can make it! I can make it! I can make it!
I'm not finished.
I can make it! I can make it! I can make it!
Hang in there.
I can make it!
The safe
I
zone
can
has
make
been
it.
redefined.
I can make it! I can make it! Yes, I made it.
Using a bandage.
What are you?
Taking fire. Spotted. One down.
Putang ina mo. Konti na lang buhay mo. Konti na lang buhay mong hinayupak kang bata ka. Fuck you, son of a bitch. I don't know if you're a girl or a boy, but fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck the shit out of you. But I do hope that you have like A good game. Fuck you. Still. Konti na lang buhay mo. Napakaganda pa ng baril ko ng fuck you. Nakuha pa ako ng kalat. Tang ina ka. Super fuck you. Ganda pa naman ng baril ko doon. May kalat ako. Malapunyetang tang ina ka. And that is how I will always react. So do not question it. Do not question it. Do not question it. I have weight issue. Don't question it. Don't ever question it. Please, thank you. Don't ever question that shit again. Yan. Yan. What the? Who the fuck stole my goddamn?
The safe zone is
Who
shifting.
the fuck stole my fucking? Oh my god, dude. Fuck! Who the hell stole it? Shit. Ugh. Fucking hell. Ito si Emma. Gago kang tangina ka. Fuck you. Sobra. Sobrang fuck you. Alam mo yun, Emma? Kinuha mo yung mga...
Taking fire! Enemy spotted!
I am scared. I am terrified. Shit. Bullshit.
I'm down!
Fuck you, motherfucker. Emma, I hate you. I hate you. The shit out of you. I hate you. I love Ethan. But someone already got Ethan. Fuck you. Okay lang ako. Napaka-okay ko talaga. So, there's a probability that right here is gonna be like the last. Like, the last. Like, ground that we're gonna fight on. If you get what I mean. I'm not good with the English. If I do say so myself, I'm not good with English. But I'm trying my best. I am really trying my best to be alive and well.
The safe zone has been
Lord,
redefined.
gabayin niyo ho ako. Gabayin niyo ho ako. Gabayin niyo ho ako. Lord, 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 Lord. Nagmamakaawa ko sa inyo.
Vehicle here.
Nagaganda.
Loadout airdrop incoming.
Okay, probably around there. So I'm gonna need to ship. Don't close in. Don't pull the shit close in. I need some loot. If you do have any other advice, I would be happy to hear it. I mean, read it. I love this. Ay, bunga. Bunga ka talaga man ay. There's no chest there. I need chest. I need a weapon. I just need a good weapon, bro. I need a good weapon. Please give me a good weapon. I need a weapon. I need a goddamn weapon. Give me a good weapon. Who the fuck are you? I still have no gun. I only have a pistol. Fucking hell. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh, don't fucking kill me yet. Don't just shit kill me yet, please. I am begging you for my my life. I am begging you for my life. Do not kill me yet. Please do not kill me. And also, I am not
The
I
safe
am not
zone
like
is shifting.
resisting like other reason. I am just talk that some I just talk that like that sometimes. And please do not like hate me. I am begging you for mercy. Do not hate me because of that. I'm begging, really. I am really begging. Do not hate me for that. I am really begging for all of y'all. I'm really begging. Like seriously, I'm begging. Like don't hate me. Please. Don't hate me.
Satellite scanning progress.
Showtime!
Bro! Stop it!
Hold on. The fight is not over.
Okay, I don't know who messaged me, but I love sniping people. Do you know that? For me, it's hard to snipe.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Eme. Nap. Did he come back to life? I am scared.
The safe zone is shifting.
Do you know that?
Take hits.
I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. Can you the fuck see me? Oh shit! How the hell do you die? Bro! Stop and cool down, bro! Bro, this is one of the things that I hate the most. This is one of the things that I hate the most. I am all alone. I am all alone.
Satellite scanning progress.
Ay, putang ina, nandito tuloy silang lahat. Nandito nga silang lahat. Ayoko na. Ah!
The safe zone has been redefined.
Mama. Ayoko na, Lord, huwag makaawa ka sa akin, Lord. Lord, huwag makaawa ka sa akin. Lord, huwag makaawa ka sa akin. Bigay niyo ako. Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy. Please have mercy.
Vehicle here.
Please, no, I don't want a vehicle. Please have mercy. Please have mercy. Please have mercy on me. Don't die. I don't have money. Oh. Ah!
Showtime.
Two of them. Two of them like sign up. Your spot. I am not fine. I am fine. Uy, MVP. Nice one. Nice. I'm happy. I wanna see the highlights though.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Only 4 kills. Sheesh. That's okay. I'm okay with 4 kills. My aim is dumb. I know like the BS players, the COD players, like the gamers who play gun games like this game are gonna be like so angry at me. I'm so sorry, everybody. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. But anyways, this is Bad Strike. See you guys on the next video. Bye!